How to clear all chats on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear all chats on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find chats. Click on it and scroll down until you find the chat history, and then just click this one, clear all chats. And this one here, you can clear it. Just select anything you want and click clear chats, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.